Walk-in cooler not working. Thermostat back there. Nice warm temps for y'all. That bad boy don't look the prettiest there. Got a lock on the power. Last time there was a service ticket out here, they found a dead cat in there. Let's take a look and see what we got. Alright, you see that. Come on now. You see all these dead animals? It smells like death. I can't open that port on the low side. Damned if I do, damned if I don't. So we got to put this fan back on and go from there, I guess. So we got a bad fan control, or a low pressure, high pressure center. We got no ports. My king ports destroyed. So I got to recover the system and go from there. About losing your appetite. Look at all them rat feathers. And, oh God, it stinks like death. Like absolute death. Oh Lord. Not the best pressures. You can see through the fan. Oh, them fans are crushed. Whatever, dude. Put a high pressure, low pressure. Did away with that thing. That's the best I can do for right now. Fancy welding right there. That port, no comprende, no good. So I had to vacuum the system down to do this. Is what it is. There was no cores underneath anyways, so I made the right call. That thing is beat. Done. Temporarily, it will work. I'm gonna testify to that. I'm gonna sit here and let it get down to temp. So happy HVACing, guys. Happy HVACing. Look at all this warm product, man. So I'm gonna go out there and squirt this bad boy with a hose with this temp to get down. Watch. It's 244. First job I had to run 300 feet of hose, baby. I'm gonna wash this condenser real quick, and I'm gonna go hit my cooler. Ooh, now this thing's beat up, boy. It's beat up as beat up get. Inside and outside. I just trying to drop them pressures down a little bit. So I'm gonna set that guy down. Show y'all. Drop down. Decent running temperatures and pressures, so that'll help cool that inside down real quick. Sit here and squirt it. Give it a good 15 minutes of squirt time, and that cooler should be down to about 49, 45. Right now it's at about 55. Trying to speed the process up, guys. Want to get home. I'm about an hour and a half from the house, so trying to get home at a decent hour. 6 outside. She's a warm one, man. You guys could only smell the death in this thing. There's so many dead rats. It's sick. We're at 195. I contemplated rinsing that stuff out, but no, not gonna happen. Not today, guys. I'm gagging over here. Got about 25 minutes. We've been playing with water. About 8-degree temp split, what that means. We're getting there though. Won't be long. I'll be able to get home before 6 o'clock. Get this cooler down, get these drinks down. Nobody wants no warm beverages, guys. No one wants no warm beverages.